Hey guys, so this game here, you can destroy anything in it. I've waited a year for this magnificent game, and I first saw it by Blue Drake, and it was, I just wanted it so bad, and here it is. It's released now, and I can play it finally. Oh, you can create sandbox campaign. This is amazing. I'll just do campaign because I just don't want to destroy everything so fast. Part 1. Well, walk home. Bye bus. Is this my home? Is this really my home? Wow, this is trash. Is it? Oh, this is actually my home. Okay, I go inside. Hold object. Get out of the get out of the way, stupid boxes. Why am I so short? I don't know. Oh, you can crouch too to make you even shorter. What is this? There's a lot of motion blur in this game. A lot. Whoa. Place the fuse to turn on power. Fuse? Oh. Wait, what? Where am I supposed to go? Okay, I'll go that way, unless it's the same building. No, it's definitely not. How do I place the fuse? Haha. Get knocked over. Haha. Oh. Okay, let's... Yeah, I've already done this game. Place fuse. Oh, that was easy. Next second. Just testing my, if it works, thingy. Just, okay. Maybe I should turn it up. Okay, hopefully you can hear that. Hopefully that isn't too loud either. No, just turn it back down. Okay. Let's go. Now what? What am I supposed to do? Red button. Oh yeah, I'll press the red button. Okay, I guess not. Is this really my... Oh, this is really my home. What the... Well, that's cool. I actually have C.O. Lawrence expanded into new markets. Okay. Oh, why did that make I have old stuff. I have really old stuff. Operate. Gas bill? Whoa. What? Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make this through the month. Are you getting requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything and be creative. Hugs, Mom. No. Just saying, sounds kind of fishy. We need money. What? My name is Gordon Wu. You have a weird name. The general manager of the I don't know. I've stuck on room with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I need. Oh, so someone knocked it over. Okay. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, repeat. Oh, yeah, well, that's a big map. Wait, what is this? Old building problem. If I could stop missing the click, I don't know how you even managed to do that. Okay. Escape? What? What's happening? Where are the controls? Map. Oh, you can't change that. Don't crouch and hard to get. Mouse wheel, that. Used to all of ideas. Oh, I could have just died there. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh, I'm supposed to go there. Yeah.
FBI, open up!
So what am I supposed to be doing again? Oh, how do I get up there? What? Oh, I love that. Oh, you could destroy everything. I mean, it's not like I didn't know. Oh, I love this. I love this already. Okay, is that enough? Oh, don't forget that.
Nope.
Why aren't you falling? Okay, I'll just throw one of these at you. Oh! Yeah, just, can I, okay. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Excuse me, you were supposed to die. How do I get up there? Do I just keep on throwing these? So why am I letting go? Okay, go. Ow. How do I not die? So I just... Ow. Ow. How do you... Oh. Oh, that's cool. No, don't fall. How do I get up there? Am I supposed to take this place down? I'll just throw over again. Yes. Yes. Nope. Okay, whoa. What? Still. But. I can't reach. Oh no. I have no more propane tanks. How am I? Oh, what's this? What's this, I wonder? Okay, that didn't work. Oh, ooh. Die! That still didn't work. Just, can you die, you chimney? Okay. Okay, that's, oh my god. Okay. I'm literally there. What are you talking about? Am I supposed to destroy it? What? Die. Just die already, okay? There you go. Okay, that wasn't it. What am I supposed to do exactly? What? What? Am I supposed to destroy this whole thing? What are you doing? I can't reach that? Oh, I can't, but what do you want me to do here? I don't, oh my god, how is this thing in full condition? What do you want me to do? It keeps on changing it. Just stop. Just stop. Come on. What have I done? Oh, finally. Guess we just had to destroy the building. Turns out I'm blind. Or I can't read. Okay. I'm a little disappointed with that time. In the first mission? Oh god. Yes, continue. I wonder how bad I'm gonna do in other ones. Oh, I can destroy my base. I just destroyed it. Tracy investigation. What a morning. I shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under good cultural heritage protection, and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Miss Turd, at the police just sent me this photo. Uh-oh, I got caught. I must tell you, not a driver camera, nor is the model. The very last thing we need right now is an investigation. I tried to sweep up in our cheap gut. If you could, if the gate's No, I don't usually do this. I don't usually do this. I don't know how to make a woman voice. But then I'm stuck on a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he has so many friends in town that I can't get a warrant. How about you use your skills to borrow the computers over at Lee Chemicals so that I can finally access his computer registry and sort this mess out. If you do it for me, I'll make sure your little blunder will be forgotten. Okay. This is not how I remember the game at all. I thought it was about like doing stuff in under a minute and like not having a map, just doing random stuff. I don't know, but it's cool. Okay.
Bruh.
Oh, you can't do that. Ooh, truck. Oh, okay. There's only primary project. Well, this is a cool map. I wonder if I should use my spray paint. Spray paint, okay? Spray paint. Oh, you don't open, do you? Well, I'll just... Oh, yes, I know what happens when you do that. You can't fool me. And I'll just tear this place apart. I have no idea where I'm gonna start. Is there any over here? No, there's not. I think I'll start over here. And then, whoa. I love this game. And then, yeah, I'll use, stop. No. Spray paint. Okay, I'll do that. And then, okay, that's, oh, it's fucked. Oh, I can't do that. Oh no, whatever shall I do? I don't know. Extinguisher, yeah, that must work. Whoa, that's really good for a destruction-based game. I wonder if you can enable FPS. How do you, like, get guns? I'm American. Okay, I guess I'll just... Ow. That hurt. What's that sound? What's that ringing? I don't like that. Destroy everything. Oh, no, I can't. I can jump on the pipes.
Nope.
That noise. That's not my ears ringing. That's ringing. Okay, let's go. This is destructible Minecraft. Oh, it's not it. Okay, let's go. Where? What? Way back. Let me just see where it is. Oh, it's downstairs probably. Is it? Oh no, it's... Oh no, how do I get up there? What if I... Is that wood? Oh, that's destructible. 200 IQ! I have to go pee. Spray can. Why do I keep on calling it spray paint? Yes, we're good. Okay. And then we need escape vehicle. Oh, this isn't a good route. Oh no, this is not a good route. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna redo the route. Why is it doing? Okay. What? I can literally just. No. How do I? Can I? So I just go this way. Goes down. I hate that ringing around you. Oh, and then you should. Oh yes, this is perfect. This is perfect. Why was I? That was literally moon gravity. No, that's not it. This is. Whoa. Okay. Okay, that should be it. I just have to go over there now. Okay, yeah, I'm just kidding. What's this? Not glass? Oh, it's ray tracing.
Nice.
Wow. No wonder everybody's PC crashes. Or maybe it's just physics. Okay. Okay. Go! What? I thought... Are you kidding me? I just did all of this for... It didn't even need it. It wasn't even a minute long. Is there some game modes I can do? This is... this is not the teardown I remember from a year ago. Yeah, I did all of that for nothing. Oh, God. Oh, I'm back at my house. Go. That noise! What is that? Gas bill. What? That's not a mission.
Customer using the related version of this with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as Vicky in offended details. So I would like to bring one more favor. That back with 8 chemical pressure, haze, actually no, already stakeholders figure out what they're moving, they are moving to product and what Vicky means. I thought you were random.
I heard they installed a new security system. Be careful. Nah. This one must be timed, right? Okay. You can't do that. You stupid. Oh, that's something. Oh, what's this? And made out of entire wood? Oh yes! Die. I have no gun, so I'll just do this. I don't care about the missions right now. I just. Oh, that actually has physics. Oh, that's so cool. Haha. Oh, that's so cool. I love this. Oh, okay. How do I get through though? What am I supposed to do? Jump onto the trees or something? Come on, climb the trees. Climb it. Oh, yes. I climbed the trees. Thought that was a Cybertruck or something. Okay, what's happening here? Oh, that's not good order. Oh, I think I'll go from here to here. And then go. Okay, yeah, that's this thing. How do I get in? Oh, other side. Where is it? Is that it? Pick up turret. Oh yes, this is timed. This is definitely timed. Okay, let's. No, I wouldn't do that. No. Just jump down, boy. Jump down! Yeah, but how do I get back up? Do I just jump it? Is this jumpable? Obviously it is because it's Teardown. Okay. I wish I had guns. Oh, that's open? No, that isn't. if you just leave it there? Nothing happens. This game has good sound design. Why is that exploded? I mean, destroyed. Wait, no, that's not it. That's stupid. No, go up here. Yes. Go up here. Okay. No. That's the well, I guess I'll just someday. Wasn't waiting. Oh, that's it. Oh no! Don't kill me. Yeah, just jump down there. Are you kidding me? Go here. Okay. Why are you getting so fat from a distance? It does not. No. Oh, you're all the way up there. I wish I had guns. I want guns. I saw guns in the preview, the early access things. Really. What's that? What? Oh, oh my god. It's in the wrong building. Ow. How did I even manage to go through here? There was literally nothing. Okay, just go. Okay. If only I had good. Ooh, wait, this may work. Might work. I could start from here again. Oh, no, that doesn't really work. Oh, I made it. Oh, I made it. But that was useless because I already have everything planned out. Okay. I better not fail. Okay. Oh yeah. Well, thanks for reminding me. Okay. Yes, this is a timed one. Please don't fail. Please don't fail. Okay. Not forgetting about fall damage. Okay, where? I need to go over here. No, I'm already a dying ostrich. I didn't even need this hole because I wasn't going to. Okay, maybe I needed it. Go, just go. Okay, hopefully I can do this. Wait, I already got that. Okay, where am I? Stop! No, I'm not gonna make it. No, that was the wrong one. Oh wait. Just go. I've 10 seconds left. No, what am I gonna do? Oh no, victory right in front of my face. Oh, that hurts. Oh no. I didn't break that. Well, let me just get this out of the way and break it. Oh no, this has bad turning. Or not. Bam. Oh, that felt good. That felt really good. And I'll just play with this a little. Oh, that does not look good. It felt good, but it doesn't look good. Just turn. Why are you doing that? Okay, I guess I'll run into these crates or something. Well, I guess that didn't work at all. Okay. Okay, go. What are you doing? Just jump. Aww. have a problem jumping. Wait, I didn't do anything. Just stop. Just I'm trying to do something. Come on. Just jump. Yes. I made it. I made it already. Oh, that hurt. Wait, no, it didn't. Okay, this is gonna be a perfect one. Run. Just fall. Okay. Okay, this is perfect.
Okay, stop.
Not there. Over here. Yay. Oh my god. Where's it? That was amazing. Under 10 seconds. Let's go. That was flawless victory. I stole that from Mortal Kombat. Don't ask. Oh, it shows your thing. It shows where you went. See the little idiot me getting stuck everywhere. What am I doing? Oh, I'm going over there. Oh, there I am. Oh, and there I go, just being little weirdo things stuck everywhere. Okay, and I got that. Yes. I barely missed that pipe. Okay, continue. Back at my trashy home. This is really not a home, it's a factory thing. Amateur? Wow! Go. Oh, wait. Stop with that noise. You need coffee. Really? Oh, you need coffee, Grandma? Oh, you're my mom. You need coffee? Nobody cares. Goodbye.